Hello players, welcome. This is your boy Jaystiqs coming at you with another video. In this video, we're going to look at 3 grooves, right? Three. You're able to master these grooves. Then, when it comes to time where you're supposed to use your kick or your foot to do a whole bunch of things that are ridiculous, your feet will be comfortable enough to do it. And these little things we learn, because we break it up into parts, they might translate into your playing in ways that you wouldn't know. The first groove. To start off, we're just going to start with 1 hit on the kick. Then you would add 2 hits on the kick right after the first hit on the kick. I believe a lot of us can do the double kick thing. If you can't do the double kick thing, leave a comment down below. I can't do the double kick thing, and possibly in a future video we would break down how to effectively do double kicks. But that's not all. There's more complex things coming in this beat. It's not just this. So the more you do this, the more comfortable you get to doing singles and doubles at the same time within a groove on your foot. That ability to be comfortable. Does that mean comfortability? Comfortability. To be comfortable. English. Next up, you add 1 hit right after the double kick. So it sounds like it's 3, but it's not 3. It's 2, 1. It might sound like it is 3, but it's not 3. It's like a cluster of 2, then a tiny space, then 1. And as we can see, there are levels of spacing between each hit on the kick. And this is what we are trying to practice. Okay, so this next part is where there's a little bit of a change. What we are going to do is we are going to put a displaced note, or we are going to put displaced notes, such that you're playing the thing, but then you have to shift a note a little bit off what you're playing and still play it on the kick, but then still keep everything going. I think I'm making it more complex than it sounds. This is what it sounds like. When I was working on it to play it for this video, I had to practice it a little bit myself. So we're all learning, we're all practicing, we're trying to get better. So don't worry too much about getting it right the first time. It will come out on its own. The more you practice it, the more you work on it. So to finish this whole pattern off, you do this. Number 2. Woo! So the thing about this is you have to keep your hands going, because so much is going on the foot that it ends up interfering with the hands. And throughout all these exercises, the hands are the same. You do some kind of rocking motion with your hi-hat such that you're not actually just doing this. This would get confusing when you get with the foot. But when you do it with the rocking motion, it's like a boat. So you're hitting and hitting and hitting and hitting like this. Okay, so we've established that part. Now, this is how you space the double kicks between the foot and the hands. So in this example, I'm going to give you a clear idea of what is going on by slowing it down a little bit so you can see the bits and pieces. Okay, so let's make it a little bit slower so you can see exactly what is going on. I don't know. I hope you're able to figure it out. These are exercises. These are not grooves that you might play on Sunday church or something. They're just exercises. So just work on them and it will help you develop your foot, the strength of your foot and the dexterity of your foot. This video is sponsored by the Drum Chops Builder app. It's an amazing application that helps you save your drum ideas whenever and wherever you are. And you can always go practice later on the drums. Check it out at the link in the description down below. See, this next groove is a little bit more groovy. It has some kind of stumbling effect. I call it the stumbling effect because it feels like you fell or you're trying to fall and you're catching yourself before you fall, like boom. Yeah. So let's break it down so you get to see what it sounds like. So this is a slower version. Okay, so you want it a little bit slower. I got you. Have you got it? Now let's play it up to speed. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell to be notified every single time there's a new video. You guys are watching the videos, you guys are subscribing, and that's a good thing. Join the Player Nation and keep practicing, keep working on the stuff, and it's guaranteed to help you out and make you much better at the drums. This has been your boy Jaystiqs, and stick with it. Stick with it. Peace.